Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications as we upload one new recipe every day. Today's special recipe is Idiyappam, that is string hoppers. I've been getting a lot of requests for this particular recipe, so today let's see how we're going to make this. For the idiyappam, that is string hoppers, I'm taking 2 cups of rice flour. Add a pinch of salt. So I have some hot water here. So gradually pour the hot water into the rice flour and mix it quickly. You can see as you incorporate the hot water how the flour is getting cooked and you get a lovely dough. The reason I'm using the spatula is because you can't mix with hot water, your hands can burn. Now the water and flour is well combined. You can use your hands and gradually mix it all together. Take a little bit of the dough and put it into the idiyappam maker. This is like a little press. Just fill it 3/4, don't fill it until the top. There is a compartment here where you put the dough in. Here is the press which you put on top. So I am going to steam it in this special idiyappam plate. So now we are going to steam the idiyappam, that is the string hoppers. Pour some water into the steamer. Steam it for about 10 minutes. So you can serve this lovely idiyappam, that is string hoppers, with any curry or with stew dishes. So do try and enjoy with your family. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.